What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to HP Society. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. It is 8:30 in the morning. I am tired. By the way, guys, go get your merch, hpsocietyRacing.com. This is the launch edition shirt. That's going to be probably one of many plugs today. We have the beautiful Z28. We are actually going down to a meet with all my guys. We're going to go with Chunky, my guy Moody, my guy Matty B and his beautiful BMW wagon. Camaro is a little bit dirty, but that shouldn't really matter right now. It doesn't look too bad. It looks car meet ready, you know? But like I said, it's 8:30. My neighbors are probably gonna get really pissed off. Ain't nothing different, baby. We're starting this motherfucker up. Should be a good turnout. Hopefully it's not all BMWs over there. I don't hate BMWs. I always tell you guys this. I don't hate BMWs. I just don't like the community behind them. But there's so many like cool BMW builds that I actually want to see. But like I said, the community behind some of those BMWs are just terrible. Start her up and let's piss off the HOA. All right, boys and girls, we are headed out to the car meet. We are going to all go to a gas station and meet up with the boys there, and then we're all going to head out together. This exhaust leak is, yes, it's still on the car. It's getting worse and worse, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. It is a beautiful day here today, seriously. So just to give you guys a little update, I don't entirely know for sure what I want to build yet. I have been looking in the auction for a Ford Lightning, for SVT Lightning, but I don't know, man. I really want a truck, whether it's a cat eye or if it's you know, like a 2012, 2014 Silverado. Like I just don't know yet. I don't know what I want to do. I for sure want to get something before the end of winter. That way we have something to work on in the garage, and we can actually build a pretty sick race truck. Or we just say fuck it and we just get a 5th gen SS Camaro and just, I mean, fully send that car as our drag car, you know? But I don't know. I don't know what I want to do, honestly. I've been really thinking about it. You know, eventually it'll come to me. Eventually I'll be like, oh, you know what? Let's just send it and build a, you know, a real, you know, race car. But I just don't know what I want to build. I really don't. It's been I get confused. Thing is, I want every car, you know. I'm even thinking about a Terminator. I'll buy a Terminator too, which I don't mind at all. But like I said, it just price has to make sense, to be honest. You know, I wouldn't mind getting a Terminator at all. Price needs to make sense. It needs to be clean, and I would definitely build the crap out of a Terminator for sure. You know what? But honestly, it is a beautiful day here today. Seriously. Here. Oh shit. Hi, Matt. Hello. Good morning. I know. Fucking Chunky just called me, said he's on his way. Huh? Yeah. We're gonna get a Red Bull if we need one. Where do we get coffee? What do we get? We'll get a small Red Bull. Red Bull sponsor me. My man, thank you, brother. Got it. We got the package, boys. Nice little Red Bull to start the day off. We got Maddie B's car right there. I mean, this thing's sick. It's a diesel, 2-liter diesel. We got the Z28. We're waiting on Chunky's SS, and then we're waiting on Moody's Z06. So it should be a good turnout. I'm just worried about this meet because apparently we passed it going to the auto zone and Matt said it was dead, and I'm scared now. I'm scared to see if it's actually dead or not, because that's not going to be fun. We make good vibes out of anything here on HP Society. This is the spot apparently. Okay, all right. So all I see so far is a C8, and I see these 2 cuck bags over here. Fucking look at these fucking cucks, dude. Good morning. You don't look like you're all there. Are you still in bed? Yeah, you're chopping too hard. You can't hear me. Huh? 100%.
What's up, bro?
What's up, buddy? How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Thanks for coming.
Of course.
Okay, this is like something last minute.
Okay.
Like fucking, I posted it 2 days ago, so.
Yeah.
I should probably bring my cars back here, low key, right? You think
It would probably make more sense, right? Yeah.
All right, let me bring.
You guys, we got the Z, we got Chunky, we got Moody's Z06, and we got Maddie B in his beautiful BMW. Great fucking turnout, huh? It's busted. Hey, I did see that spot you were talking about. Hey, there's a spot down there. They got some like muscle cars over there. I seen an orange 1LE over there. No, it is.
How do you turn it? Man, it's 360, bro.
Dude, you're retarded. Yeah. It sees all of us.
That shit.
What do you mean it's fake?
It's augmented.
We're gonna go back to this video and it's gonna be pointed at you. Alright guys, we're getting out of here. It's only us 4. So they only got about a couple cars here, but we're leaving. Alright boys, so we are headed to the other meet because this one was very dead. I'm getting a clickbait. Thing is sick. honestly didn't even know that we were out of gas, so we're gonna stop at the gas station. We broke off from Moody, Chunky, and Matt, and we are going to fill up gas real quick and meet them at the spot. Hopefully there's still gonna be some cars there, but it's only about 6 minutes out of our way, so it shouldn't be too bad. I mean, we need that 93, baby. It's a nice day though. That meet was just not a good turnout whatsoever. That was terrible. But like I said, one of many plugs today. Go get your merch, hpsocietyRacing.com. Got a bunch of new stuff on there for the low ski. Insane. That Honda is full gas in that mother. You know, seriously, you know, anybody out there that's trying to do this car stuff, man, go out and do it, man. Don't worry about nobody. Don't worry about anybody else's opinion. Go do you, bro. Honestly. Like at the age of 23, I'm thank God, alhamdulillah, you know, in Arabic that means like, you know, thank God. You know, I'm doing very good for myself. At the age of 23, I bought my own house. You know, I got married, you know, I got a beautiful wife at home, and I bought my dream car, and all at the age of 23. And, you know, now hopefully I'm going to be fortunate enough within the next couple months to go buy another race car and, you know, really fully send it to the moon, man. And that's the plan. Is we want to make HP Society different than all these other racing groups. I'm sorry, than all these other racing channels. Everybody has, for the most part, everybody has a roll cage car. You know, everybody has a dedicated race car, and they can't really take it on the street. They can't, you know, do any daily driving with it. And I feel like that's really different with us because, you know, especially when you guys see with my friends, you know, they got that's not even all the cars. We got twin turbo SS's. We got a fully built G8 that you guys seen, Jimmy, with the 416, has the LSA blower. That thing is a monster. You know, we got one of my guys, Angel, with a Coyote, and his is about 1,200 horsepower. Alex's car is at 800 horsepower. We got a lot of these race cars, but they have that street car, you know, the street car look and feel, and you can drive it on the street, you can enjoy it on the street. And I feel like that's what's, you know, different about us, and that's what I want to do at HP Society. Like, I want to record cars like that. And it's, don't get me wrong, race cars are amazing. Like, you know, taking out the carpeting, you know, taking out the carpeting, roll cage, 5-point harness, Kirky bucket seats, you know, that thing, it's cool, man. It's cool, but again, how are you going to enjoy that on the street? You're not. And a lot of people say, oh, I bet if I had that car, I'd enjoy it on the street. Trust me, that shit gets old, like, quick. Like, if you just use it strictly as a race car, you're never going to get bored of it. But the fact is that you're going to drive it on the street, it's going to get uncomfortable, shit's going to break, and it's just like, what's the point? You know, and that's what I love about my channel is, like, you get to see all these fully built, race cars, but they're still a street car. You know what I'm saying? I hope that makes some type of sense, but that's what I want to do with this next project car. Even with this, I mean, this car is fast. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but this thing scoots. Like I said, it's going to be at 700 horsepower crank, hopefully by the end of the summer, beginning of fall. And, you know, the next project car, we want to do like 1,000 horsepower, but that we want to make a dedicated drag car. Like, we want to make that a race car, you know. And granted, have I thought about just making it a race car and just taking it to the track? Maybe. But at the same time, like I said, I like the street car look. I love everything about race car, street car feel. It just feels a lot better. Grand National, not too shabby. right, guys.
Rev it, big bro, rev it. Boys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage. We're gonna call it a day here, just because this vlog was so all over the place. We didn't know what we were gonna do, but I hope you guys somewhat enjoyed it. We were out with the boys, and it was a good time today. You know, I'm extremely blessed to know these, guys, and that they're part of my life now. Seriously, big shout out to Jimmy, Dom, Chunky, Moody, Matt. Shout out to all those guys. Shout out to, special shout out to Kadar and Pat for, helping me with my build and my car. It means the absolute world to me, and I'm extremely blessed to know all these guys, and I'm glad I get to call them my brothers. And it's one of those things where you don't really get a friend group like that nowadays, where everybody's bringing each other up. Yeah, we bust each other's balls, but there's no genuine hate between each other. It's all love. We all try to bring each other up as one, and we all want to see each other with some badass race cars that we all enjoy and love. And it's a special thing when you have a friend group that makes you enjoy this car stuff even more. So big shout out to all the guys, man. Other than that, you guys, that is probably going to be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, Explorer ST, we just talked about that. I love those cars. I'm like a squirrel. I'm all over the place, but I'm a fat ass squirrel. Anyway, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. If you are new to the channel, hit that little bell notification so you get notified and be a part of HP Society. Also, drop a like on the vid. It helps out a lot. I appreciate you guys so much. We got a bunch coming up for the Z, and we also got another project car coming. What that is, I really don't know yet, but hopefully by October, November, that's really where, when we want to kind of get it. And hopefully, we make the right decision, and you guys are going to enjoy it just as much as I do, and it's going to be badass. I appreciate you all. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next video. See you guys.